Every winter, drafts sneak in through tiny gaps around doors, stealing warmth and driving up energy bills. But with a little DIY effort, you can weatherproof your doors and keep the comfort inside. First, identify where the cold air is slipping in. Common culprits are the bottom threshold, the sides of the door frame, and sometimes even around the hardware. The solution is simple. Weather stripping, foam tape, and rubber seals are great for the sides and top of the frame, while a door sweep keeps air from rushing in underneath. Measure carefully, cut to size, and press the weather stripping into place. It's peel and stick, so no special tools are needed. For the bottom, install a door sweep or threshold. This seals the gap while still allowing the door to open and close smoothly. With just a few simple steps, the home is warmer, the energy bill is lower, and those chilly drafts are a thing of the past. Weatherproof your doors and take control of your comfort this season. Or contact your local door renew to do it for you. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.